Good day, guys. Yeah, good morning, good afternoon, good night, where you're watching this right now. I want to show you guys how I took this trade. That was our last trade. I think I showed you on my previous lecture, like when I was in this market. As you can see, let us see what market did to us. Like, did not hit our take profit. Well, it is what it is. We took something out of there. So as you can see, like right here, like there is no other block, there's nothing like that rejected, like that caused this rejection that market is going up here. Like there's nothing that caused that rejection, but all this movement right here, like is Asian session, and I don't used to trade Asian session. So when I got to like London session, like I did my analysis, I see like what market is doing. So let me show you how I did my analysis and how I catch this trade right here. So in 5 minutes, like I'm saying there's this movement, like London session, I make London session around this zone. Like yeah, when I wake up, like okay, when I want to do my analysis, like I make market like around this zone. So before this break of structure. So when I wake up, I see like, okay, let me see what's going on in the market. Like I see this movement. I see like, oh, there's a market shift right here. Okay, there's market shift. A market come back down here. And let's go to 1 minute. Let's go to 1 minute. What happened to our network? Fuck. Okay, we are there. We are there. We are there. We are there. So this 1 minute time frame. This 1 minute time frame. So, oh, you're there. So I see this market shift. A market come back down here to make use of the area that caused this market shift, like the other flow that caused the market shift. Yeah, this the other flow that caused the market shift right here. Market make use of it, then go up, then liquidate it, like cause our liquidity, that this area is liquidity. This Asian session is not even care about what market is doing. I don't even know. Like I did my analysis during London session, so I can make use of it as a liquidity and come back and here because there's very gap right here and other block. So I can make use of it and cause another market shift right here. There's market shift right here. There's market shift right here. Though I was expecting market to come back to this zone that caused the market shift. Uh, as you can see, market not make use of it at all. Market cost big structure. Market cost big structure. Yeah, I was still expecting market to come back to this zone. I was still expecting market to come back to this zone. So when market get to this area in 5 minutes, I was like, what's going on? So when market is doing this in 5 minutes, like this rejection right here, like I was like, what's going on in the market? Like, what's going on? I see this movement, like, what's going on in the market? Like, though I was still expecting market to come back to this zone, like this zone right here, like the other flow that caused the market shift, because there's liquidity right here. Then when I'm seeing this movement, like, oh, what's going on in the market? Like, I go to my minute time frame, 1 minute time frame. you have to know, guys, like any movement in the market like is unique. Market, don't wait for the market to do what you want market to do. Don't wait for that. Like you have to move in the market perspective, like what market really want to do. Like that's what you have to do. Don't wait for, oh, I want to wait like the market to do what I really want it to do. Market might not do it and you will lose opportunity, a lot of opportunity. So every movement in the market like is unique. You have to know that. So here's our trades. I think okay, it's right here. It's right here. It's right here. Yeah, yeah there. So in 1 minute time frame, 1 minute time frame, as you can see, when I get to 1 minute time frame, I see market shift. I see market shift. And in 5 minutes is other block. I later figure it out because this is the other flow that caused this break of structure right here. Is the other block. They are not consider here like market will make use of it. They not consider it like market will make use of it. This is the other flow that caused the market shift right here. So when market is doing this, like I was like, oh, I think something want to happen right now. So market later caused this market shift. And I wait for the market like right here at the other block because there's little VVL gap right here and market make use of it like after I see this um market react to this other block. After I see this reaction, the bullish candle, like three candle bullish candle close in 1 minute, and in 5 minutes is like dodge dodgy candle close in 5 minutes. So I traded the market without hesitating. I set my order without hesitating. Like, okay, let market do what? Like after this candle close in 5 minutes, in 5 minutes. So I just set my order. Like market do, and I was targeting this area. I was targeting this area right here. Yeah, this last high. I was targeting this last high. I was targeting this last high. But before market do this movement, like I enter another trade right here. Because market after this break of structure, market come back down here and make use of this zone as Viveluga. I mean as liquidity. You see, and make use of breakout block. Because this zone rejected the market like couple of times before market later break and market come back down there to make use of it. So in 1 minute, I see market shift. There's market shift in 1 minute. Let me show you guys. Let me show you guys. There's market shift in 1 minute. That zone. No, is our second trade. That's my second trade. Like if I want to take a second trade and I'm already in a trade, like I like to wait for my confirmation. Like so I don't let the second trade ruin my psychology. Yeah, I don't like my second trade to ruin my psychology in the first trade. No, we are already in the first trade. Like if I want to take second trade like this, like I like to wait for my confirmation, like to let market decide like okay, I think I'm ready to go. So this is the this is the market shift right here and this is very low gap. It's very low gap at this one and market go up and come back down to make use of it. I did not take the trade immediately. I did not take the trade immediately. Like I have to wait for another market shift. Like I have to confirm this trade. Like I'm not in haste. Like if you are in impulse, like market will humble you. Like you have to wait for your confirmation. Like there's market shift and there's breaker block right here because market come right here like and rejected it and come back there and reject it before market later break it and I wait for market there. So after I see this bullish candle close, two bullish candle close in 1 minute, I took the trade. And as you can see, market come back and I thought I set my alarm at the take profit. I set my alarm at this I think at this low. So I did not expect market to take this one for real. I did not expect it. Like after when I hear my alarm like that sound, like I was like, what's going on in the market? I thought market had hit my take profit though. And after I see this movement, like wow, I have to close. I have to close. Because this low refused to break this high, like it's something else, like I have to close. I have to close. So I just close this right here. I close this right here. I just take little profits. So that's it guys. Wait for I think we are in another trade right now. We're in another trade. In another trade. So this is today's trade. These are today's trade. So I'm going to explain this like let market do what they want to do. Like I really don't care. Like I don't know what market will do next though. I don't know what market will do. This is about today's trade. Let's see. I will lecture you this probably tomorrow, guys. Alright, peace.